Hello, everybody. This is Michael Pucciarelli, and this is going to be like a virtual demo of how I use various LED lights, either LED flashlights or powerful lights like the LC 500 or other soft LED lights. So I'm first going to start a very simple LED light where you want to make sure that it's dark. So you could, for indoor still life, you want to definitely use a filter. Or if you're gonna light paint like the light of a car, you don't. And sometimes I use like a simple flashlight, a power flashlight with a lumen of over 100 to light paint. And this foil filter is just a foil pipe, and we just have tough black mold tape, so it won't, have accidental stray light from the white part of the pipe. So this is the NANlite. This is great for light painting like a car, like the wheel of a car. This has, a very soft feel. And, you could use this with your hand, or you can also use it on a pole. Sometimes it just okay. And sometimes, the lights need to be charged. The battery power is low on this one. I'm going to unscrew it. Make sure it's turned off. So this is a 3/8 stud stand, and all these lights, they work well with the 3/8 stud. And I always want to have my light balance at 56K. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shorten the stand. There we go. And you can also, when you light paint a motorcycle, this is good. You want to extend the pole out. You want to use it at an angle. You want to think your distance. This is going too close to the overexposed. But if you're to back up 2 feet, you get a better looking light. This light, I'm going to turn it on. How about a half battery? You want to make sure your lights, you want to make sure you charge all your lights. And it comes with the charger. So this Godox comes with remotes. And it comes with 2 batteries. Always at 50%. You gotta change it to 100%. And make sure that you can change the channel, you can change the temperature. You turn it off. You first have to turn on the light first. You turn it on. You turn it off. And you turn it on. Another way to use the Godox, you don't always have to use it. You can create a nice vignetting backgrounds. You can aim the light up, or you can just sprinkle some light really fast. I'm using, this is great for light painting a car. I have nice, wax, fine print paper to make the light bigger. This is without, but this is a very effective light. And it's the same light, so the control is used the same way. So I'm going to turn this off. Another light is the NANlite. This is the Savage light. This is another soft LED light. And it's great for, it has a nice soft feel to what you're trying to light paint. And I've used this to light paint, the car's wheel and hubcap. I've also used this to light paint, the interior of a car. This is also good for like the base shot. And I use the NANlite the same way. This is called the ETAC LED flashlight. Works well with the Harold Ross adapter. I'm going to turn this light off. I'm going to turn this light off. So basically, when you light paints, you want to make sure that the light is aiming at the subject, not the camera. And sometimes we have the right diffuser and the left. And sometimes you have to switch depending on where the light is. So when you do an edge, you just make sure you don't aim the light at the camera. In this Harold Ross filter, it It works with any, flashlight, as long as it fits. So this could be used with any flashlight that's about this size. I'm going to turn on the light. This is the new light. It's a coast light. It's 750 lumens. I'm going to turn this light off. I got to make a filter with foil pipes. So I'm just going to go to the hardware store. I'm going to measure the diameter of this. I'm going to buy a foil pipe filter with the same diameter, and I'm going to cover up with black mold tape. And you have a nice, powerful light, a nice soft light to use with the filter. And then if you want to light paint like something outside, like a car, you wouldn't use a filter. This is a radiant light, a gun light. It fires light in a narrow beam. This is, good for light painting like a tree trunk or a tree. It's about 450 lumens. And this is a powerful one. This is about 1,000 lumens. You can do the same thing, but this light's a lot more powerful. You can see that this light is more powerful than this light. Now it's dark. I'm about to turn on the light. Well, I showed you how I use, LED lights, like the wand, small LED flashlights, or the gun lights. This is how I do light painting. So if you're interested in more videos like this, maybe consider liking and subscribing to the YouTube channel. It's called Still Life and Landscape by Michael Pucciarelli. And it's now changed to Still Life and Landscape because I'm now having landscape information sessions if I use, in photography. And I'll talk a lot about the Canon R6, R5, and also Photoshop and camera settings. Thank you for listening to this video.